I've got an interesting question for you, Paul. In your career, you also did some driver recruiting as well. And I'm wondering if that perspective helped you shape your responses into how you approach drivers with cameras. You know, your experience as a recruiter, bringing people on board your team. Did that experience help you talk to drivers about cameras at all?
Well, absolutely. And when you're recruiting drivers, and I didn't spend a whole lot of time in the recruiting aspect, but when you're recruiting drivers, and there's two parts to recruiting. It's recruiting and retaining. Recruiting and retaining, they go in hand. They're both very important. And when you say recruiting, well, if you tell the driver the truth and you explain to them what they're going to get and what to expect, then you have a much better chance of retaining them than if if what you're telling them maybe is just a little bit of a fairy tale or whatever the case might be, and then they show up and, oh, it's not exactly what you thought it was going to be. So that's kind of the thing with that part of recruiting, that, when you take the cameras, you explain to them exactly what it's going to be. There's no fairy tale here. Here, this is what the cameras are. This is what they're going to do for you. And again, our company has, we're well over 50% of our fleet is independent contractors. So therefore, understanding that, we had to work with those independents so that they completely understood the benefits that they were going to gain by having these Netradyne cameras in their trucks. They're not our trucks. They own these trucks. And I'm proud to stand, sit here and say today, we have 100%. There's not a vehicle in our fleet, okay, that does not have a Netradyne camera in it. So we're very, very proud of that. And it's because of the fact that we were able to sell. And, we met with the guys individually and also in some bigger formats to explain to them, again, what was the benefits. And you have to show them. You have to show them examples of, here, watch this and see what happened. And think of this: if you didn't have that camera, okay, and this happened, we're probably going to have a lawsuit. We're probably going to have an issue here because it's gray. But again, the cameras take the gray out because, as I said earlier, they really don't lie, and that's great. And you said this earlier too. When we're at fault, when it was our fault, then that's a benefit too. All right. Yep. I know up front, okay, it's our fault. So let's do what's right. Let's get this taken care of. Let's mitigate it properly and move on with life. Same situation when we're in the right versus clearly not in the right.